This video will demonstrate how to make a cashier shield from a Vivak sheet. To make this shield, you will need a 1/8 inch thick of 3 foot by 3 foot Vivak sheet. US plastic can cut your sheet to the appropriate size. 2 3 feet long pieces of plastic trim, 3 nuts and bolts, a drill, 2 links of chain, and double-sided Gorilla Tape. Position 1 piece of trim in front of the top edge of the Vivak sheet. Next, drill 3 holes through the trim and sheet. The holes should be roughly 1 inch from the top, and you should drill 1 hole on each side, 1 inch from the edge and 1 hole in the middle. Drill 2 more holes near the edge holes. This is where the chains will go to hang the sheet. Then, thread the bolts through the first 3 holes and secure with a nut. Attach the second piece of trim to the bottom of the Vivak sheet using the Gorilla Tape. Thread your chains through the remaining holes at the top of the sheet. Your cashier shield is now finished and is ready to be hung. Most of the supplies you need for this project can be purchased from US Plastic at usplastic.com.